Using soil testing to evaluate soil health on your farm can help you understand how your management is impacting your soil's health. There are quite a few tests available that can be used to monitor soil health. No matter what test you choose, here are some helpful tips to make sure you are getting the most out of your results. Soil biological activity changes as soil temperature and moisture changes. Warmer soil will naturally have more respiration, and soil carbon can change slightly with seasonal changes. Due to these differences in the soil, it's important to sample when conditions are similar. Choose spring or fall, and always sample about the same time. Avoid collecting samples when the soil is very dry or very wet. The depth of your samples will impact the results you get back. When tracking soil properties like organic matter, the soil below the surface will see buildup occur more slowly, especially in low disturbance environments. Because of this, sampling with deeper cores will show changes more slowly. Since there are differences depending on sampling depth, it is critical to select a depth to use and sample consistently at that depth over time. This consistency will improve the odds that you are accurately tracking the soil health trends in your fields. We recommend using an 8-inch depth because this allows you to just add soil health tests to the samples you send in for your nutrient testing. Research has shown correlations between soil properties like CEC and soil health. Some soils will have higher soil health values than others, regardless of management. This can make benchmarking changes a challenge. When collecting samples, it is best to group soils from areas of fields that are similar. When looking at the results, you should try to compare soil health values over time rather than between fields. This will allow you to see the impact of your management changes. Some soil health tests are sensitive to sample handling. Therefore, you should submit samples soon after they are collected, especially for tests that include respiration. Overmixing of a sample can impact the results from tests like wet aggregate stability, so being careful with sample handling can lead to more reliable results from the lab. Tracking soil health through soil testing can bring value to your operation. You can maximize that value by making sure you're collecting high-quality samples.